This is a little tutorial for the run jump stuff with music in a few seconds. So fast forward if you're ready for music. You'll go around and jump and just releves and twist to here. You should be able to see this hand on the other side of you. Then you'll go right hand palm up, and then left hand palm down across the front. Jump over the top, through first, into basically facing 3 attitude. Start to compress, throw back. This hand wrist is flat and this one should be off the edge. Really like this with your hand. Okay, we'll do it with music.